solve this word problem using logarithm to calculate our value. Solution. The question says a shop sells 1 dozen of biscuits for 75 naira 50 kobo and a pen costs 6 naira 75 kobo. How much does a biscuit and a pen cost? Now the first thing we have to do is figure out how much a biscuit costs, because 1 dozen of biscuits has 12 in it and the whole 12 costs 75 naira 50 kobo. So the cost of one biscuit, cost of one biscuit, would be equal to the cost of the 12 biscuits, that is a dozen of biscuits, 75 naira 50 kobo divided by 12. Now to do this, we use the logarithm table. We have our number and our log. Write out this number, 75.50. We take the logarithm and this gives us 1, 2. You deduct 1 to find the integer 1 point. Now for the decimal part, you check that in your logarithm table. 75 under 5 difference 0, and that gives us 8779. Then divided by 12. 12 that we have here is same thing as having 12.0. So to calculate the integer part for the logarithm, how many digits do we have before the decimal point? 2. We deduct 1, we have 1, so we have 1 point. Now this 12, we check under the logarithm table, 12 under 0 difference 0. So we just check 12 under 0 since there's no difference of 0. 12 under 0 gives us 0.792. And because we are dividing, we subtract the logarithm values. 9 minus 2, 7. Once they get 9 from 7, that's not possible. Borrow 1 from 8, this becomes 6, this becomes 17. 17 minus 9, that gives us 8. Once they get 7 from 6, it's not possible. We borrow 1 from 8, this becomes 7, this becomes 16. 16 minus 7, we have 9. 7 minus 0, 7. 1 minus 1, 0. And here, we take the antilog, which gives 6291 by taking 79 under 8 difference 7. Now here we have 0 as the integer, which determines where to place our decimal point. Here we're placing our decimal point first digit after. So here we place our decimal point after the first digit. So here this is equal to 6 naira 200 and, but we already know that kobo has to be in 2 places, so this becomes 6 naira 29 kobo to 2 decimal place. When you round up 1 is going to be rounded down to 0. When you add 0 to this, we have 6.29. Now the cost of 1 pen and 1 biscuit becomes equal to, we already know 1 pen costs 6 naira 75 kobo, and now we've gotten the value of 1 cost of biscuit as 6 naira 29 kobo. So we add it up. 9 plus 5, that's 14. 4. We take 1 to this side. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 10. 0. We take 1. 1 plus 6, 7. Plus 6, 13. So we have 3 naira. So that means the cost of 1 biscuit and 1 pen is 13 naira 4 kobo. Thank you.